everyone. Today I'm trying something a little bit different because this recipe I'm making involves rice, so I have to put my rice cooker somewhere, and I put it on top of the washing machine because that's the only place I have space for. So I moved my iPad up a little bit on the shelf to make room for that. So I don't know if this angle is going to be better or not, but we're gonna try it because that's all we can do. First, I am going to make myself a drink. I hope the rice doesn't take too long because I need it for a part of the recipe, so I'm just kind of stall until it's ready. I started it probably about 15 minutes ago, give or take, so hopefully it doesn't take more than 40 minutes in total. I don't know, there's no timer on it, so your guess is as good as mine. I'm cooking 4 cups. I'm cooking 2 cups. So yeah, let's get started. But first, cheers. I can't even taste the jack, so that is good. So I'm cutting up this spring onion. It's pretty long, but it's also a little bit old, so I'm glad I found this recipe that just happened to include something in my fridge. But the recipe only calls for about 30 grams, so I'm only going to use half of it, which I still think is a little much, but I like this kind of onion, so should be fine. By the way, I haven't mentioned it before, but I'm making fried rice, which I probably haven't made since I was in university. Oh, that's a lie. I think I made it for my family a Christmas or 2 ago. I'm making it because it falls under this category of comfort food, and I've been a little bit sad because of coronavirus, and I haven't been able to see my family in a long time, so hopefully this brings me some comfort. With that in mind, I'm pretty sure I'm not using the right type of oil or soy sauce, but I am using an oil and a soy sauce, so the onion is for the topping, so I put it away for a while. The next thing we need to do is cook the eggs, and then after that we just start adding everything in, including the rice, so still stalling. I'm using 4 eggs for this recipe. I can start to smell the rice, so that's good. Okay, I'm putting in the eggs on medium heat. The recipe says to add a pinch of salt. The rice is still cooking, which makes me so sad because the next thing I need to do is cook the chicken, and immediately after the chicken is cooked, I add in the rice. So I need to wait. Okay, so it only took about 10 more minutes, so I'm happy about that. Next, I am cooking the chicken. The recipe calls for about 200 grams, and this is about 300 because I like chicken. So first we add a tablespoon of oil. Not this. Oh no, there's skin on it. I should have cut this up before. patient. Now I'm going to add in the rice. Stir that around a little bit. We add in 150 grams of mixed veggies. This is a little bit more, about 100 grams more than the recipe calls for, but hey, more veggies. Was I supposed to microwave this before? Oh dear. Well, it's cooking now. That's all that matters. Okay, now I'll add in 50 milliliters of soy sauce. Ooh, that smells so good. And last but not least, we add in the egg. Ooh, this looks so good. I'm really happy about this. The only thing I'm worried about is the veggies. I hope they're getting cooked in all of this. Okay. Hopefully that is good. So here's the bowl I'm eating. I added some of the onion on top. Let's try it out. That tastes really good. I think the veggies are cooked. I can't tell that it's like it was frozen. So that's good news. This tastes really good. I'm probably gonna save this recipe because it definitely is a comfort food for me and really not that expensive actually. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching and I'll make another video soon. Bye!